Hello and welcome to another Technic Official, your honest guide to the cryptoverse. I know it's been a while since I made video. The reason was I was traveling. I went to the IVS crypto conference in Kyoto. Maybe I'll cover a bit about it when I go to next video or something, but not this video. But it was a good conference and I met some of you, which was really amazing to see, some of the people who follow my video channel or my work as an advisor, meet me in a foreign country. So really enjoyed the conference. It was also very insightful. One of the trends that I saw picking up is the Ton blockchain. So I recommend you to also investigate Ton or Telegram blockchain as an application and as a narrative to follow, as well as I guess it was super interesting to see GameFi is pretty big in Japan. So that's also maybe something next year we will come back to it, even though now it's not a big deal. Now let's jump into the IDO space. So July was a very sort of a dead month. Most projects didn't do well. And now we are in the August month, of course, with the news of the war and things like that, that might happen. I don't think it's going to happen, but it might happen. The market crashed yesterday. Today's Sunday, 3rd of August, and then the market crashed to like all-time lows. But there's still 2, 3 listing and IDOs happening 5th of August onwards from Monday. And I'm going to cover them because these are some projects that quite promising in my opinion. The first one is Mirada AI. So Mirada AI is basically incubated by the team of Carbon. Carbon browser I covered last year, 2023 January, and if you remember, it did like a 40x. It was a browser competing with Brave basically, and now with Mirada, they've incubated a art and technology with decentralized AI solution. So AI and creativity works together. Basically, Mirada AI Labs it's called. So they've got image generation, LLM chats, animation, minting NFTs, and many similar activities. And they have people from grants from Google, Nvidia, AWS, and Microsoft for startups. And then they've got the products which are generative AI, search with AI, bots and automation, third-party integration. They got collaboration with Pulse Finance, Ethereum Foundation, EC, Launchpad, LeFi, HyperGPT, Carbon Browser. I was saying Ape Terminal, and yeah. So these are some of the partners they've got. I've already told you they have a partner program that you can use AI for everything you need. You can contact them. They've got daily requests of 20,000 requests, 65,000 users, 6,000 members, and 5 integrations. This is the advanced AI platform that they've got. And yeah, you can use it for free and for paid users. What you can do is generate animation, audio, video. The team is non-docs, similar situation to Carbon, and yeah, they have the bots and things like that. So that's pretty much a very, 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 very quick summary about the project itself. And in terms of the let's say tokenomics, if you go here, they've got I think this is not a full tokenomics. Let's see if Ape Terminal has the full tokenomics. I hope they have. Yes. So as you can see, in total they have 1 billion token, and then private sale happened at 8 million valuation with 5% unlock TG, and then 3 months cliff, and then block by block unlock. There is 100 dedicator. Then they're doing the public sale right now with $750,000 raised at a valuation of 10 million FTV and 15% unlock TG, 1 month cliff, and then block unlock for another 6 months. KOLs are onboarded at a price of 0.009 cents, 15% unlocked at TG, 1 month cliff, followed by a 6 months linear vesting. There's an airdrop for community that's going to be unlocked after 6 months cliff. There's a liquidity provision and staking as well. So that's pretty much the vesting and pricing. So it's a low cap, low FTV project. Initial market cap is 340K. Probably a bit more with liquidity, and fully diluted market of 10 million. Token is going to be on Ethereum chain. But yeah, it's quite a popular project, and it's going to launch in Pulse Finance, ESE, I think also in Carbon Launchpad, as well as Ape Terminal and HyperX by HyperGPT. Um, So it's basically you can go to the Hyper AI, Mirada AI sorry news, and you can see that they're gonna do their IDO on the 5th with most launchpads, MIRX, and then a few days later they're gonna list their own launch after that. That's also Carbon Launchpad, as you can see. So they've also become a launchpad. And yeah, so listing is going to happen sometime in this coming week after the IDO. If you want to join, you can stake Hyper token or ESA token or Carbon token or Pulse token to join. Or if you don't want to stake anything, you can go to Ape Terminal, and Ape Terminal has it. You can just register and join. They've got a ticket size of 250 as well. Now that was I guess the raise model with Ape Terminal, sorry, with Mirado AI. Market is quite dead, but they are low cap projects, so they could do well. So staying tuned for this one. Sharp AI is the next one. They already did the IDO. I've already covered the video about them as well. But what I'm more curious and excited to discuss is that they're gonna list tomorrow, and their token generation event is at 1 p.m. UTC at the 5th of August. So tomorrow they're gonna list on Mexi and a few other exchanges, and BingX and Gate.io and you know, they've also been on Lido Finance and many other DeFi protocols and trading protocols as well. Token ticker is SAI. They've done really well in terms of the marketing, built a lot of partnerships. For example, they've already built huge partnership with Microsoft, IBM, you know, and they've got investments from Animoca, you know, AIT, Ape Terminal. So they've got a really good traction as well, and Morningstar GBV. And the product is being used already $500 million trading volume and a massive price prediction of 50x or something by people. Let's see what happens tomorrow, because market is very bad, but it is a promising project in terms of listing. So Sharp AI is the second project I'm looking forward to. After a month or 2 months ago, they did their IDO. The next project I'm covering is Neurochain AI. So it's a decentralized AI infrastructure. It's led by top AI engineers called NCN, and they have their validator node program as well. Now they're gonna list their token on 9th of August, and as soon as that happens, they're gonna also do the node staking, and they're gonna have node giveaways for it. So the token launch is going to be more of a fair launch. Before I jump into that, yeah, so it's a decentralized AI solution, Neurochain AI, and they can share GPU, staking program, and other things like that. They've got strong partnerships. They've got many users, and the use case is quite unique. You can go to the AI decentralized app to understand how they work. So basically here also you can see it's a AI as a service, decentralized, and the utility of the token also is currency of the ecosystem. So you can share the GPU and computing AI for contributing the data. If you're also interested to learn more about tokenomics, you can always see it in their white paper, because they've got all the resourcing you need here if you're interested to know more about the tokenomics. But the most anticipated, I think, information about the project is that they've been going on with a lot of partnerships, with a lot of announcements in terms of their staking program, in terms of their that's also the tokenomics, as you can see. They've got 3 billion tokens, and they've got 40% for ecosystem, 20% foundation, 15% team, 6% investors, 3% advisory. So the vesting also will be released according to the vesting schedule that they've got. And so as you can see, advisory has 12 months cliff. Liquidity reserve is 6 months cliff. Initial liquidity is 50% unlock. Partnership is 12 months cliff. Investors start from 10% unlock to 0% unlock to TGE, 2 to 6 months cliff, and then 10 to 12 months vesting. Team has 9 months cliff. Well, team is less than advisor. That's a bit weird. Foundation is 6 months cliff, and then ecosystem is 15% TGE unlock. But you can get more detail if you want here about the pricing and the tokenomics as well on how it works. And at this project, and valuation was thinking around 25 million FTV. So they're gonna be a bit more fair in terms of they're gonna go directly to list the token on exchange. There's no pre-sale or IDO. So in that case, there's only the private sale investors, KOLs, and obviously public. So there's going to be a bit more demand for buying it on the market and also the note sales. And because of this sort of fair launch approach, which they're saying it here as well, I think that will have some driving force for people to buy it once the token is live. There will be more information about the listing detail and which exchanges. But staying tuned on the 9th. So on Friday, the 9th of August, they will be listing their token basically on multiple exchanges. So that was, I guess, the summary I wanted to make about these 3 projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be more videos now coming that I'm back from the trip, and also the market. Yeah, this week is terrible, but it's gonna improve. I don't think there's gonna be a war or anything. So usually August still not great market, and then September starts to pick up. So yeah. Also, if anyone's going to Token 2049 Singapore next month, I'll be there. So put a comment. I'm happy to catch up with you guys. Otherwise, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Put a comment about any of these 3 projects down in the description, 3 AI projects. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and there will be more regular videos coming soon. So thank you for watching it, and see you next time. Goodbye.